Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about using TypeScript with React. TypeScript is a statically typed superset of JavaScript that offers improved code maintainability and scalability through static typing and type checking. It compiles down to plain JavaScript that can run in any browser or JavaScript runtime environment. React, on the other hand, is a widely used JavaScript library for creating interactive user interfaces on web applications. It allows developers to build reusable UI components that update efficiently as the application's data changes. By combining TypeScript with React, developers can leverage the benefits of static type checking from TypeScript to enhance the development process and ensure code correctness in large-scale React applications, making the development process more robust and streamlined. To utilize TypeScript in React, you must first set up the required packages. Begin by creating a new React application using the TypeScript template, npx create react app my app that's template TypeScript. Next, install TypeScript by running npm install TypeScript and then install React with npm install React. This sequence of steps ensures that your React project is configured to incorporate TypeScript, enhancing type safety and developer productivity. For instance, by utilizing TypeScript in a React project, you can catch type errors early during development, promoting code quality and reducing runtime issues in your application. In React functional components, we define the types for props and state to ensure type safety and improve code robustness. Props represent the data passed to a component, while state represents the internal data managed by the component. In the provided example, 1. The props type is defined using TypeScript to specify that the component expected a prop called name of type string. 2. The greeting functional component is declared to receive props of type props, which includes the name prop 3. Within the component, it uses the name prop to render a greeting message. By clearly defining these types, it helps developers to understand what data a component expects and provides more predictability in terms of data usage. This can prevent bugs related to incorrect prop types being passed to components. Interfaces in React components are used to establish the structure of objects. In the provided example, an interface named user is defined with properties name and age of specific types. The user profile component then utilizes this interface by using it as a generic type for React.fc. This ensures that the component receives props with properties matching those defined in the user interface. As a result, user profile can display the user's name and age passed as props. This helps in maintaining type safety and ensuring the correct usage of props within the component. Using TypeScript with React is like having a detailed blueprint before building a house. Just like how a blueprint helps to plan out the structure of a house and catch any potential errors, TypeScript helps in mapping out the data flow and catch any potential bugs in a React application. Without TypeScript, it's like building a house without a blueprint, leading to possible mistakes and rework. By using TypeScript with React, it provides a structured and organized approach to development, ensuring a smoother and more efficient process. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The provided code demonstrates the use of TypeScript with React to enhance the development of components. By defining the structure of props using an interface, specifically user props in this case, TypeScript ensures that the props passed to the user component are of the correct types, in this case name as a string and age as a number. Within the user component, a functional component, React's useState hook is utilized with TypeScript to manage a Boolean state showAge, controlling whether the age should be displayed. By setting the initial state to false, the age is initially hidden. Clicking the Toggle Age button toggles the state, showing or hiding the age accordingly. The app component renders the user component with a sample user, showing the seamless integration of TypeScript and React. This setup not only ensures type safety, but also provides clear organization and structure to the components, making development easier and less error-prone. Real-world applications of this setup could include building user profiles in a social media application, where user data such as name and age needs to be displayed. TypeScript's type checking capabilities help in maintaining consistency and reliability throughout the development process, ensuring a more robust final product. One industrial application of using TypeScript with React is seen in the development of large-scale e-commerce platforms. For instance, imagine a shopping website where various components need to interact with each other and handle complex data structures. TypeScript helps in defining clear interfaces for different components, ensuring that data flows correctly and minimizing errors in a dynamic environment. Another real-world application can be found in the creation of dashboard interfaces for data visualization in analytics or financial industries. TypeScript brings strong typing and interfaces to React components, making it easier to manage and manipulate large sets of data efficiently. With TypeScript, developers can ensure that the right data is passed between components and that the correct data types are maintained throughout the application. By leveraging TypeScript with React in such industrial scenarios, developers can enhance the maintainability, scalability, and reliability of their applications, ultimately leading to a more robust and error-free user experience. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.